Good morning. This is Claude Fulham for here in Brisbane. And moms, I've got a really good short tutorial here for you. It's about how you could this week start to work from home if you so choose to. Now you might be wondering, hey, how can I do that? Because I've got a full-time job. I need to go to work to bring in money. Well, I'm going to give you an idea that you can help to place in your mind and think about it. And if it's something that resonates with you, you could be sitting at home today using your skills or your knowledge and make some money. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hop onto a website called Upswot, and I'm going to type it in here, and you could see me typing it, Upswot, and I'm going to click into Google, and I'm going to go to the Up in Demand Talent on Demand. So when you get here, what I would like you to do is to find professionals and agencies. So what you do is when you log in, create an account, you could look for the jobs right here, and say for example you are very good in Excel. Okay, this is an example. Okay, so I hope I've spelled Excel properly. So here, edit two files of PDF in Excel, insert logo, background pictures and information, and you get some money. So if you scroll down here, let me just go pull the scroll bar down. I was sitting in a webinar yesterday and someone shared this with me, and it was just awesome. Look at this, 10 to 30 hours a week needed. They're willing to pay you $25 to $50 US, and this is duration 1 to 3 months. Experience levels here. Now if you know how to extract data from a PDF into an Excel, this would ideally suit you. If you scroll down here, you get bookkeeping and accounting jobs, so small startups for small bookkeeping manager, SMS sender, yes, data analyst. So here's a huge database of jobs that are right now going for the take. Yeah, hop on, do some research, and see if you can find a job that this week you can stay at home. And this is especially even if you've lost your job or you want to get back into the workforce, finding it very hard, this could really help you. I hope I have added value to you. If you are okay with it, subscribe to my channel, and as I learn new things, I will share them with you here. This is Claude here in Brisbane, bringing value to you today.